Welcome to Bukit Bintang, Kuala Lumpur's entertainment and shopping hub. Join me on a walking tour through the bustling streets of this hip and happening area. Bukit Bintang is known as the heartbeat of Kuala Lumpur. This area is alive day and night with its mix of high-end shopping, trendy cafes and buzzing nightlife. Whether you're here for luxury or just people watching, there's always something happening on these streets.
We're going to start this walking tour from the pavilion. I'm right outside Pavilion Mall at the moment, and we're going to start the walking tour walking up the Bukit Bintang. As you can see, there's a lot of traffic at the moment, but we're going to walk around and show you the main street.
I love to spend a few nights in this area to get a feel of the city. If you happen to be heading here, I would highly recommend getting the MRT or train and not a taxi. As you can see, the streets get pretty busy. If you're visiting this area, there are endless options for food and shopping.
Check this out, it's got a really nice footpath to walk on, and you've got all your brand name shops, you've got some eating places, all in the one spot. So this is a hip and happening place to be in Kuala Lumpur. I've been walking about 5 minutes from the Pavilion station and from the Pavilion Mall, and then here we have the new Bukit Bintang MRT line. The last time I was in Kuala Lumpur, we didn't have that. They were building it. So you've got the monorail up ahead. You can see the monorail station on the left. So between the two, this area is very, very well there's something happening here, but yes, it's very, very easy to get into, and as you can see, everything seems to be happening here. pavilion straight in front of us. So we walked up this way, and I'm going to take you back on the opposite direction.
In the next video, join me on a shopping tour of Bukit Bintang. I will take you into the many malls on this strip and show you the shopping scene in Bukit Bintang. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon for the shopping tour coming up next.
In this area of Bukit Bintang, you are surrounded by all the high-end brands.
So after all that walking, we decided to kick back with a great meal at the pavilion.